are 50 divisions. 50 divisions. So how will find out the Vernier constant according to the definition? Anyone can say me? How will find out the Vernier constant of this traveling microscope using this Vernier scale? First of all, what we'll do? We find out the value of 1 Morris division of main scale, right?
Yes, sir.
Here value of 1 Morris division of main scale, if it is the L1 is equal to, what is the value of L1? Anyone can say me? According to the scale? What is the value? Just to find out it. Student, hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You got the result? What is the value of L1? L1 is 0.5 millimeter. 1 millimeter is divided in 2 divisions. So L1 is 0.5. That is 0.5 millimeter. Right? Now from the value of 1 Morris division of Vernier scale. According to the Vernier scale, find out the value of 1 Morris division of Vernier scale. How will you take it? Hello? Rinita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bolo, what will be the value of 1 Morris division of Vernier scale?
Sir, where the common points are colliding?
Just to say me the value. Anyone
Sir,
know?
কথা কেটে যাচ্ছে।
Show me.
Yes, sir.
Show me বলতে পারবে? What will the value of 1 Morris division of Vernier scale here?
49.
Yes.
Sir, 0.5 by 50.
0.5 by 50. How will you take it?
Because it
কি
has
করতে হয় আমাদেরকে? That is 0 of the Vernier. You just consider the 0 of the main scale or any one of the main scale. Then you see where the main scale and Vernier scale first coincide. Both these two scale where first coincides. You count the number in the Vernier scale. If you do it, you will see that 50 division of Vernier scale equivalent to the 49 division of the main scale. What is the value of the 1 Morris division of Vernier scale? That is 49 division of the main scale coincides with the 50 division of Vernier scale. Vernier scale 50 division, which is equivalent to the 49 division of the main scale, right?
Yes, sir.
That means the value of 1 Morris division of Vernier scale will be 49
by 50.
by 50. How many times of L1 into L1? Only then it will be a unit. Vernier scale কোনো unit নেই তোমরা জানো? There is no unit in Vernier scale.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means 49 by 50 into 0.5 in now it is millimeter. Value of 1 molar is vernier scale, main scale, value of 1 molar is vernier scale. Now, according to the definition, vernier constant is equal to difference of these two, L1 minus L2. That is 0.5 minus 49 by 60 into 0.5. Just calculate it. Calculate it and show me the result. All of you calculate it. Quick.
0.01 millimeter.
Key?
0.01 millimeter.
0.01 millimeter, right? 0.01 millimeter. That means 0.01 in millimeter, or we may write 0.001 in centimeter. This is the Vernier constant. Okay. This is the traveling microscope. Its Vernier constant is 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. In this way, we can calculate the Vernier constant of the traveling microscope. This traveling microscope used in the two experiments in our lab. One is Newton's ring experiment, another is Young's modulus experiment. Okay. अच्छा. देखिए आर अन्य कोनो पिक्चर আছে কিনা? Just you wait, students.
Sir, experiment দুটো কি বললেন?
One is Newton's ring experiment, another is Young's modulus experiment. Now see, this picture is clear to everyone, students?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. देखो two scale. This is the vertical scale and this is the horizontal scale. This instrument is called the traveling microscope. When we use this traveling microscope in Newton's experiment, we use this scale. This is the horizontal scale. Same thing. And when we use it in Young's modulus experiment, we use the vertical scale because here we measure the depression of the bar. This is the traveling microscope. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. ताले अच्छा. Anyway, तो next we come to the another instrument. Come to the another experiment instrument, that is circular scale. Circular scale. अच्छा. We discussed the slide calipers. Students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Slide caliper, we use it. No? Okay, fine. Now come to the circular scale. In circular scale, we use the circular scale in dispersive power experiment. Okay, dispersive power experiment. First, you see the dispersive power setup. We just wait. Spectrometer. Now this is visible to everyone, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the circular scale. देखो, this is called the collimeter. যেটা আমি দেখাচ্ছি বুঝতে পারছো তো? This is the collimeter.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the telescope. It can rotate. This telescope can rotate. अच्छा. This is the.
Sir, from where we will see, sir? From front part or back part?
Loudly say, I can't hear your voice.
Sir, from where we will see? From front side, from front eyepiece or
Okay,
from back
okay.
back eyepiece?
Vertically, we have to observe. This is the vernier scale. two vernier scales are attached with the circular scale. This is, suppose this is one, another one is not visible here, just 180-degree opposite direction. This is a vernier scale. This is a prism table. This is a prism table on which we have to place the prism. Okay, light coming through the collimator, and this light will be fall on any one of the refracting surface of the prism. From the other side of the prism, light will disperse and deviate, and we observe through the telescope. Since the telescope can move circular position, therefore main scale is attached with the telescope, and reading will change when we rotate the telescope. Okay, the question is, in this experiment also we have to measure the vernier constant of this vernier. Okay, so this is the setup. Now we come to the very particular point. That means we will find out the vernier constant. Okay, so come to the specific part. Suppose you अच्छा আরেকটা ছবি দেখো মানে ডিসপারসিভ পাওয়ার হ্যাঁ now this is also visible to everyone, I hope so.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the circular scale, this is the collimator, and this is the telescope. Telescope can move. The one vernier scale is visible, another is just opposite, 180 degree opposite. Prism table. This is the thing. Okay.
স্যার কিন্তু ভার্নিয়ার স্কেলটাই তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
হ্যাঁ, ভার্নিয়ার স্কেল স্পেসিফিক্যালি আমি দেখাবো, জাস্ট টোটাল ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট আমি দেখালাম তোমাদেরকে, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, now come to the specific point, that is দেখো, now it is visible, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the vernier scale, one vernier scale, which is attached with the main scale. Lower one is the main scale, upper one is the vernier scale. You see, this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 in this way, and in below you just see 200, 210, 220, here 190, etc. This is a circular scale. One complete rotation means how much degree? That is 360 degree. Okay, so to find out its vernier constant, at first we have to measure the value of 1 mole during the main scale. Here this is the main scale, so what will be the value, students? Anyone can say me what is the value of 1 mole division of the main scale? Anyone? বলতে পারো? বলো বলো বলো, চুপ করে দেখো না। কি হলো? What will the value?
Sir, cannot see the picture.
Huh?
Cannot see the picture, sir. It went blank.
Picture is not visible now.
No, sir. Completely blank. No, sir, it's black.
Okay, wait. Now it is visible? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Just see. Find out the value of smallest division of main scale. ঠিক আছে, বলো ভ্যালু অফ ওয়ান স্মলেস্ট ডিভিশন অফ মেন স্কেল। আদিত্য
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
বলো বলো ওয়ান স্মলেস্ট ডিভিশন অফ মেন স্কেল L1 is equal to what? L1 is equal to, find out it. Then you find out the value of one smallest division of vernier scale. This is the L2. From there you find out the vernier constant. Okay, try to do it.
So L1 is 50.
Yes. বলো আরেকবার বলো।
L1 is 50.
58.
50.
My question is, what is the value of one smallest division of main scale? Main scale. This is the lower one is the main scale. It is very clear. Here it is written 240. It is 250. So in between this is 10 degree. How many divisions are there? You count it. From there you find out the value of one smallest division of main scale. Okay.
There are 30 divisions. 30 divisions.
30
within
division.
10.
30 ডিভিশন তো বলছি যে স্মলেস্ট ডিভিশনের ভ্যালু কত হবে সেটা বের করো।
1.5.
1.5 ইউনিট। ইউনিটটা বলো।
Unit millimeter.
Mm.
মিলিমিটার। Unit is millimeter.
Sir, again it has gone black.
Now even black, na?
Yes, sir, again it has happened.
Okay. বলো ভ্যালু অফ ওয়ান স্মলেস্ট ডিভিশন অফ মেন স্কেল। Now it is visible though.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
বলো।
Sir, 0.5
0.5
Sir.
mm.
0.5
mm millimeter.
mm.
Sir, 0.33 ডিগ্রি স্কেল তো স্যার
0.33
ডিগ্রি স্যার আপনি তো বললেন ডিগ্রি স্কেল ওটা।
হ্যাঁ শান্তনু 0.33
0.33 ডিগ্রি।
0.33 ডিগ্রি।
Yes, sir.
ওকে, আর কেউ কিছু বলবে? According to Shantanu, this is 0.33 degree. Or
Yes, sir.
আরে আর কেউ কোনো কিছু বলছো না কেন?
আমি তো 0.5
ওটাই।
আচ্ছা লেখো তো, লেখো চ্যাট বক্সে লেখো, আমি দেখি কে কিরকম ভাবছো দেখি এবার। All of you write down your answer in chat box. That is value of 1 mole division
ভুলও
of
হতে পারে।
value of 1 mole division of main scale. Okay, value of 1 mole division of main scale. Just write down the answer in chat box. देखिए আমি आदित्य 0.33 degree. Elan Raja, you write only 0.333, no unit. Pushpendu 0.03, no? Only degree, acha. 0.33 degree. Okay. 0.34 degree. Okay. 0.5 degree. Songita. কি করে পেলে সঙ্গীতা 0.5 ডিগ্রি? সঙ্গীতা 0.5 ডিগ্রি কি করে বলছো বলো?
Sir,
It is very clear, Sangita. Total 240 to 250, that means 10 degree. আমি তো বলেই দিলাম যে this is degree. Since we are going to measure the angle, so angle এর unit কি? Degree, minute or second? Anyone?
ডিগ্রি।
So how will write the millimeter, centimeter, that is length of unit, a unit of length? Why? This is not the length, this is angle, measurement of angle. So it should be in degree, minute or second. So according to this picture, there are 10 divisions, 240 to 15, 10 degree. Within how many divisions are there? 30 divisions, right? That means each degree is divided in 3 divisions, equal divisions. Therefore value will be 1/3 degree, right? 1/3 degree. 1/3 degree is correct answer. That means 1/3 degree. 1/3 degree is the correct answer.
Sir, board is not visible.
Huh?
স্যার স্যার একটু
Yes?
একটু পার্টটা একবার বলবেন আর একবার ডিগ্রি কতটা মানে কত ডিভিশন?
দেখো, lower one is the main scale. It shows the 240 to 250 according to this picture. That means 10 degree. Now
লোয়ার স্কেল বলতে যেটাতে এই যে 240 আর 250 দেখা যাচ্ছে,
হ্যাঁ
এই যে 240 আর 250 দেখা যাচ্ছে যেটাতে, ওইটা তো?
হ্যাঁ,
আচ্ছা,
that is 10 degree. This 10 degree is divided in 30 equal divisions. আমরা কি কি মেজার করতে যাচ্ছি? আমরা মেজার করতে যাচ্ছি যে 1 moles division এর ভ্যালু কত? Value of 1 moles division of the main scale, right? তাহলে this is 30 division. Therefore what will be the value of 1 division, 1 moles division? That is 1/10/30, that is 1/3. Ba each degree is divided in 3 equal divisions. Therefore value of 1 moles division is 1/3 degree, right? Value of 1 moles division is 1/3 degree. 1/3 degree. 1/3 degree. 1/3 degree is equal to how much? 0.3333 up to infinity. This is the value. So if you write 0.33 degree or 0.34 degree, both the answer is wrong. Why? Why it is wrong, students? Because if you write 0.33 degree, this is the less value than the exact value. If you write 0.34 degree, this is the higher value than the exact value. So if you write 0.33 and considering 0.33, your answer will be wrong. This is not the exact value. Or if you write 0.34 degree, it also gives you the wrong answer, because 0.3 is the higher value than the exact value. So if you write 1/3 degree means what? 1/3 degree means if you multiply by 60, 1/3 into 60, that means
20 degree.
20 minute. Now it is minute. তাহলে এটা exact value হবে, তাই না?
Yes, sir.
আমরা যদি 20 মিনিট লিখি তাহলে এটা এক্সাক্ট ভ্যালু, কোনো কিছু বাড়ছেও না কমছেও না। In this way, always you consider write the answer in the form of degree, minute, second. তাহলে কি হবে? Our answer will be more appropriate, correct. আরে আমরা তো ভার্নিয়ারটা ইউজ করছি to get the more correct result, না? তো ভার্নিয়ারের ক্যালকুলেশন is যদি when you go to the measure the Vernier constant, if we assume something, that means assume means we consider value of 1 mole division 0.33 degree, then this is not the exact value, correct value. Or if we write 0.34 degree, this is also not the exact value. So if we write 1/3 into 60, that is 20 minutes, it is the exact value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Achha. Similarly, now come to the second part, that is value of 1 mole division of Vernier scale. Vernier scale, that is L2. L2 is equal to কত হবে? দেখো, if you coincides 0 of the Vernier with anyone with the main scale, then you search where the main scale Vernier scale first coincides. That means একটাই লাইন দেখাবে. If you search it,
Sir, 50.
50, sir.
Sir, 45.
না মানে সেম অ্যাঙ্গেল রিপ্রেজেন্ট বাই ভার্নিয়ার স্কেল এন্ড দ্য মেন স্কেল, তাই না? সেম অ্যাঙ্গেল measured by Vernier scale and main scale. দেখো, if you coincide the 0 of the Vernier with the main scale with anyone, then you will see that the 49 division of the main scale, which is equivalent to the 50 division of the Vernier scale. Okay, 49 division of the main scale, which coincides with the 50 division of the Vernier scale. Then that means L2 is equal to 49 by 50 into L1. That means 49 by 50 into 20 minutes. Now calculate it.
Sir, I can't get your point. Please repeat.
Yes, Pooja, you can't understand.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Second part is, our question is, what will be the value of 1 mole division of Vernier scale? Pooja, you know Vernier scale has no unit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how will you get the value of 1 mole division of Vernier scale? For that purpose, in all the instruments, this is the same method. In case of slide calipers, here also we consider the 0 of the Vernier, 0 of the main scale. Then we search where the main scale and Vernier scale coincide first. So
Yes, sir.
that means the same, here this angle, same angle represented by the main scale and same angle represented by the Vernier scale. According to this picture, we observe that is 49 division of the main scale, which is equivalent to the 50 division in Vernier scale. Sorry, 50 no? 49 no? Sorry, this is very sorry. This is 59. Sorry, 59 division of the main scale coincides with the 60 division of the Vernier scale. Okay, 59 division of the main scale coincides with the 60 division of the Vernier scale. 6 division of the Vernier scale. That means in main scale, the 60 divisions, 59 division রিপ্রেজেন্ট করে যে অ্যাঙ্গেলটাকে, সেম অ্যাঙ্গেল রিপ্রেজেন্ট বাই দ্য ভার্নিয়ার স্কেল বাই 60 divisions. Okay, Pooja.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, what will be the value? This is the ratio of these two, that we have many times. তাহলে 60 divisions of the vernier scale coincide the 49 division of the 59 division of the main scale into L1. Then we can say that this is the value of 1 molars division of vernier scale. Method is the same. Here L1 is equal to 20 minutes. That means 59 by 60 into 20 minutes. Now find out the vernier constant V into C. V into C means difference of these two scales L1 minus L2.
স্যার একটু ওইটা বলবেন যে একটু মিনিটে কনভার্ট করছি কেন L1 টাকে?
কেন করছি?
হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা, 1/3 degree is the value of 1 molars division of main scale. Main scale.
হ্যাঁ
1/3 degree means what?
1/3 degree the one smallest division of main scale.
1/3 degree is equal to what? 0.33 degree.
0.33 degree আছে
0.33 degree Aditya. 0.33 degree means how much? Is it the exact value?
না না অ্যাকচুয়ালি না
0.33 মানে তো সেটা 0.33 নয়, 0.3 up to infinity.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
If you write 0.33 degree, that means it's the less value than the exact value.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
Or if you write 0.34 degree, it is also the large value, excess value than the exact value, right?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
In both the cases, we'll get the wrong answer.
হ্যাঁ
Now, if we multiply 1/3 into 60, because 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes,
এটা জানি
becomes 20, that is 20 minutes. এবার বোঝা গেছে?
হ্যাঁ ওইটাই আর কি জিজ্ঞেস করছেন যে মিনিটেই কেন কনভার্ট করলাম সেটাই আর কি
কিসে করবে তুমি বলো?
না বুঝেছি
ফ্র্যাকশনাল নাম্বার না হলেই তো we are just avoiding the fractional number, না?
হ্যাঁ বুঝেছি
Okay. Now find out the vernier constant. L2 is clear to you, students?
Sir, can you explain the L2 part? Why this is 59 by 60?
Okay. Slide calipers করেছো তো? আবির?
Yes, sir.
Slide calipers এ কি করেছি আমরা? I will take the value of 1 molars division of vernier main scale. বলো, you just say me the method. Same method is applied here. বলো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ বলো, হ্যাঁ স্যার বললো কেন, বলো তুমি।
স্যার মানে যে পয়েন্টটাতে ভার্নিয়ার স্কেল আর মেন স্কেল ম্যাচ করছিল,
হ্যাঁ
মানে সেটাকে ধরেছি।
সেটাকে ধরেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
দেখো, ভার্নিয়ার স্কেলের কোনো ইউনিট নেই।
না,
ভার্নিয়ার স্কেল জাস্ট ইট ইজ এ ক্যালিব্রেশন অফ ইন ইকুয়াল ডিস্টেন্সেস, রাইট?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
দাগগুলো ইকুয়াল ডিস্টেন্সে রয়েছে। নাও আওয়ার কোশ্চেন ইজ টু ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ভ্যালু অফ 1 molars division of ভার্নিয়ার স্কেল।
ইয়েস স্যার।
যখন আমরা ভার্নিয়ার স্কেলের ভ্যালু বের করতে যাচ্ছি, তাহলে কি করবো? কম্পারিজন থেকে আসবো।
হ্যাঁ,
তাহলে same angle, particularly in this case, same angle represented by the main scale and the vernier scale.
Okay.
Then if we coincide the zero of the vernier with any one of the main scale, then we find where the main scale and vernier scale coincide করবে, একেবারে পুরোপুরি coincide করছে। তার মানে কি, same angle represented by the main scale and the vernier scale.
Okay, okay.
So if we do it, we will see that the 59 division of the main scale, which is equivalent to the in 60 division of vernier scale.
Okay, okay, sir. Understood.
60 division of vernier scale. From there, তাহলে 1 division of the vernier scale which is equivalent to the 59 by 60 division of main scale, right?
Yes, sir.
Of main scale, তাহলে main scale 1 minus division value হচ্ছে 20 minute, so we multiply it with the 20 minute, 59 by 60 into 20. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
তাহলে then it will be the value of 1 minus division of vernier scale. Now it is in degree minute.
Yes, sir.
Minute. Therefore, according to the definition of vernier constant is equal to L1 minus L2. Okay, all of you calculate it and write the answer in chat box. What will be the value of 1 minus division of, what is the vernier constant of this
So L1
spectrometer? Vernier constant of the spectrometer, that is vernier constant কত বের করো সবাই, all of you. আমি just 2 minutes time দিচ্ছি, 2 minutes এর মধ্যে all of you calculate the vernier constant of this spectrometer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Students, I am asking you to find out the value, that is vernier constant of this instrument, not the value of 1 minus division of vernier scale. Vernier scale. You find out the vernier constant, right? Anindo goes, you write 19.33. This is not the answer. Find out the vernier constant, that is according to this picture, L1 minus L2. You have to find out the value of L1 minus L2. Okay? Do it. Hello, students. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
20.333 Orgodip Pani. You wrote 0.333 minute. This is the Varnier constant. Sahib, you wrote 20 hash. Hash for what?
No, sir. I just write to 20 second. Then has by mistake.
You just wrote in second. Second in word you may write the
20 second.
okay. Jain Khan 20 seconds though. Rinita 20 minute. Sagnik 20 second.
না স্যার সেকেন্ড হবে, আমি পরে ঠিক করে লিখেছি।
আচ্ছা, অতুল রাজ 20 সেকেন্ড, শান্তনু কাপাস 20 সেকেন্ড, সাহিব $20, সজল শ্রীবাস্তব 20 সেকেন্ড। ওকে, সোয়াল কোলে 0.333, how many threes are there? সোহাল কোলে, আরে সোহাল
Yes,
কোলে
sir.
কোথায় তুমি?
Yes,
হ্যাঁ,
sir. Yes, sir. বলুন।
এটা কি লিখেছো? 0.33333, how many threes are there? আরে বলো কতগুলো তিন দিয়েছো লিখেছো বলো।
ক্যালকুলেটরে 5-6টা এসছে।
একটু বাড়িয়ে দাও, 100 খানা করো।
অনেকগুলো হবে।
ইউনিট কি? ইউনিট কি?
মিনিট স্যার।
মিনিট তোমার হবে, ফিজিক্যালি যদি থাকতে না দেখতে কি করতাম। আদিত্য ব্যানার্জি 0.20, অল আর 20 সেকেন্ডস নাকি? এবার লিখেছে ঐশী কুন্ডু।
আমি 20 ডিগ্রি নিচে লিখে 20 সেকেন্ডস নিচে লিখেছি, ওটা ভুল করে লিখে দিয়েছিলাম।
না সবার দেখে বলে লিখে দিলে নাকি?
না না
না না,
Sir, what is the sir smallest division?
ওটা তো স্মলেস্ট ডিভিশন। আমি বের করতে বলেছি ভার্নিয়ার কনস্ট্যান্ট। মিনিট কি করে হয় আইসি? ইট ইজ নট দ্য মিনিট। 0.33333 মিনিট। কিচ্ছু বুঝছো না জানো তো, এত যে বকছি বকবক করে কিচ্ছু বুঝতে চাইছো না। শান্তনু কাপাস 1/3 মিনিট। আরে আমি তোমাদের কি বের করতে বললাম? আমি বললাম ভার্নিয়ার কনস্ট্যান্টটা বের করো। ভার্নিয়ার কনস্ট্যান্ট মানে সব তো করে দিয়েছি, L1 এর ভ্যালু বের করে দিয়েছি, L2 এর ভ্যালু বের করে দিয়েছি। এই ডিফারেন্সটা করতে পারছো না? L1 মাইনাস L2 করতে পারছো না?
স্যার দুটোই তো মিনিটে আছে, তো মিনিটেই তো আনসার বেরোবে।
তোমাকে দেবো একটা কোষে আমি, মিনিটে আনসার বেরোবে। মিনিটে বেরোতে পারে? তোমার আনসার কত বলো?
কি
আজকে তোমার আনসার কত?
ওই তো কি বেশ,
ওই তো
আমি লিখেছি দেখুন চ্যাট বক্সে।
বলো, আবার লেখো তো লেখো। এগুলো সেন্ড ইন মেসেজ।
আবার
একটু দেখো, আমি দাঁড়িয়ে আছি। লেখো তাড়াতাড়ি।
এটাই লিখেছি আমি।
20 মিনিট আর 20 ডিগ্রি?
না 20 মিনিট কোথায়?
0.333 মিনিট আর 20 ডিগ্রি।
হ্যাঁ, এই মিনিটে চেঞ্জ করে ডিগ্রিতেই আছে।
তুমি অত্যধিক পাকা ছেলে, অত্যধিক পাকা ছেলে, কিচ্ছু বোঝে না।
আচ্ছা,
সরি। এক কথা বলে কিন্তু কিছুই মাথায় নেই। 20 ডিগ্রি কি করে হয়? তো ভ্যালু হচ্ছে ভার্নিয়ার মেন স্কেলের ভ্যালু হচ্ছে ভ্যালু অফ 1 মাইনাস ডিগ্রি 20 মিনিট, সেখানে ভার্নিয়ার কনস্ট্যান্ট হচ্ছে 20 ডিগ্রি। কিচ্ছু সেন্স নেই। এটা ডিফারেন্স করতে পারছো না? L1 মাইনাস L2 ইজ ইকুয়াল টু হোয়াট? 20 মিনিট লিখে দিচ্ছে। আমি কি তোমাকে বলেছি যে মেন স্কেলের মলেস ডিভিশনের ভ্যালু বের করো? আশ্চর্য। Just take the difference of these two. L1 means what? 20 minutes. L2 is what? 59/60 into 20 minutes. 8. Take the difference of these two. That is 20 minutes into 1/60. 1/60. That means 1/3 minute. 1/3 minute. 1/3 minute is the fractional number. Fractional number আমরা নিতে পারি না। So
Sir, answer is 0.67 minutes.
Huh?
Sir, answer is 0.67 minutes.
Don't use the fractional number. 1/3 minute. Now it is the value of 1/3 minute. 1/3 minute means same thing, 0.333 minute. But this is not the actual value. So if you multiply again 60, that is you multiply now again 60 by 60, then it comes to 20. That means 20 seconds. This is the one constant. This is not the fractional number. বুঝতে পারলে?
Yes, sir.
আদিত্য বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ঐশী?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আচ্ছা, সবার নো ডাউট? সোয়াল বলে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
বুঝতে পেরেছো তো?
হ্যাঁ।
এগুলো যদি না বুঝতে পারো, করতে পারো, তাহলে এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করতে গিয়ে বহুত ঝামেলায় পড়বে। এক্সপেরিমেন্টের থিওরি পড়বে না প্রসিডিওর পড়বে, আর মেজারমেন্ট যদি না বোঝো তাহলে এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করতে গিয়ে লাভ কি হবে? দিস ইজ দ্য মেজারমেন্ট পার্ট।
Sir, you have converted at 20 minutes again into 60 then seconds.
Obviously, if you multiply by 60, this minute, 1/3 minute, then it becomes seconds now. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. That's why.
Oh, sir, got it. Okay.
Okay, students. Now you find out the value of this. What will be the value? What will be the value according to this scale now? All of you find out the value. You know how to find out the value? The zero of the vernier indicates যে পয়েন্টটাকে ইন্ডিকেট করছে সেখানে ভ্যালু কত হবে। ভ্যালু মিন্স মেন স্কেল রিডিং প্লাস দ্যাট ইজ মেন স্কেল ভ্যালু প্লাস ভার্নিয়ার স্কেল রিডিং ইন্টু ভার্নিয়ার কনস্ট্যান্ট। This will give us the total reading. All of you find out the total value, that is reading in this position. আমি কি বললাম বুঝতে পেরেছো? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you find out the total value. Now this picture is clear. Zero of the vernier indicates which point, what will the reading in this position. Find out it. Okay, do it now.
ব্ল্যাক হয়ে গেল।
Sir, where picture?
Students, now it is visible.
No, sir, whole diagram
Yes,
is
sir.
not visible. It is only visible till 20.
Now it is visible. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
তুমি এক নম্বরে পাকা চা জানো তো? আচ্ছা अरे ओ भाई कमेंट तो बोलता कि
Hello students, Marmik, you wrote 3 to 38 degree, 20 minutes, 100 seconds. Okay. All of you write the answer in chat box. This is the same method. একই রকম মেথডেই তো আমাদের টোটাল রেটটা বের করতে হবে রে বাবা।
Sir, my one is wrong. I
Huh?
get it. Sir, my one is wrong, I think so.
Yes.
Because I have calculated that 100 minutes in addition, that should not be there. 100 seconds.
First you see where the Varnier scale reading indicates the main scale reading. Varnier scale reading. देखो, this is 1 minute. This is the scale. So 0 indicates which point of the main scale. This is 240. That is 239, 238. Up to this is 238 degree. Then first one division is clear, no doubt. That is 238 degree, 20 minute. After 20 minute, for the extra part, we have to take the help of vernier scale. Now you search where the vernier scale and main scale coincides. This is the vernier reading.
So 50.
50. Okay, according to you, this is 50, whatever may be. Then you multiply the vernier constant and add it with the main scale reading. This is the total reading. Same method always. Okay. You may take the screenshot of this part. All of you.
Sir, but what is the answer?
আমি একটু পরে বলি ওটা, সবাই লিখি তারপরে।
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt. Can I ask?
অবশ্যই বলো। Marvik,
Sir,
the question. Yes.
because vernier constant is in seconds, so do we have to convert that 20 minutes into seconds and then add up and then we have to do, or
what is the
we will just directly write?
You just find out the vernier readings. If according to if it is
Say it is 100 seconds.
Yeah, 100 seconds. 100 seconds means how many minute and how many seconds? 1 minute.
So 1 second 40 1 minute 40 seconds.
Right. You add it with the main scale reading. 1 minute 40 seconds. You add it with the main scale reading. This is the total reading in this way. Clear, Marvik?
Okay.
স্যার 236 কেন হলো না?
236 কেন হবে বলো? 236 কি রয়েছে?
স্যার জিরোর সাথে তো 235 আছে, আমি কাউন্ট করছি তো।
না, 235 কোথায় বাবা? Zero of the vernier indicates which point? This is 240. এটা তো ব্যাকে যাচ্ছে না? 240, তার মানে এই পয়েন্টটা কত হবে? 239. This one is 238. In this way, তুমি পেছচ্ছ তো, তুমি তো পুরো স্কেলটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ না। It is not visible the whole scale. So you just assume, not assume, it is increasing in the in this direction. This is increasing 240, 250, 260, etc. তাহলে if you go backward, that means এই বড় দাগটা, that is 1 degree, তাহলে 239, next 238, but it is between 238 and 239, and particularly in which position 0 indicates? 238, first gap is clear, it is measurable, so its value is 20 minutes. Next part is not complete, so main scale reading will be 238 degree, 20 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
হয়েছে? Okay. So students, now we explain it. Students, board is visible now?
Yes, sir.
According to this picture, in this picture, it is zero of the vernier. If we draw linearly, just you see linearly I am showing you. It shows the 240. It shows the 250. Okay. Before that, each degree is divided into 3 equal divisions. দেখা যাচ্ছে তো?
Yes, sir.
Vernier scale is here. This is the vernier scale position. Suppose this is the vernier scale. This portion, তাহলে what will be the main scale reading? Main scale reading is equal to what? देखो, since this is 240, this is the 240. Sorry, which one is 240? This one is yes, 240. This one is 240. This is increasing in main scale reading. This is increasing, but zero of the vernier is here. This is the reading of the scale. So each one, these are the smaller one. Well, this is 239 degree, 238 degree, 237 degree. This is 237 degree. So this portion, well, up to this, our reading is 238. This is 238. এটাও ক্রস করে গেছে, that is 238. This is 238 degree. Each division value is 20 minutes. That is 238 degree 20 minutes. But this position is not clear. That is in between first and second divisions. That is, it is greater than the 20 minute, 238 degree 20 minute, less than the 238 degree 40 minute. Right? So for this extra part, this 238 degree 20 minute to the top of the arrow. For this part, we have to take the help of vernier scale. Okay. So এখান পর্যন্ত কোনো প্রবলেম নেই। Therefore, main scale reading will be 238 degree 20 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now vernier scale reading. Vernier scale reading. Vernier scale reading means for this extra part. That means after 20 minutes. For this extra part. এই পার্টটাকে তো আমরা অ্যাজিউম করতে পারি না। আমরা কি এটা বলতে পারি যে এটা 10 মিনিট, 15 মিনিট or any other value? We can't say this. By eye estimation, we cannot consider this is 15 minutes or 10 minutes or 12 minutes. We can't say this. That's why we have to take the help of vernier scale. What we'll do? Now from here, we just observe where the main scale and vernier scale coincides in a single line. So like a single line. We count it here. 1, 2, 3, etc. In this way. If we count it, we see according to this picture, this is at 50. At 50 it coincides. Therefore, vernier reading is 50. Now what is the total reading? Total is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into vernier constant. That means this is 238 degree 20 minutes plus 50 into 20. That means 238 degree 20 minutes plus 100 seconds. Because 20 here, this constant is in the unit of seconds. That means 100 seconds means 1 degree 40 minutes. Mental calculation here. বুঝতে পারছি আমরা, this is 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 1 minute 40 seconds. If you add it with the main scale, that is 238 degree 20 minutes আছে, 1 minute add হলো 21 minute 40 seconds. This is the total reading according to this figure. Okay. Clear now, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, how is it 100 seconds?
100 seconds is equal to 60 seconds plus 40 seconds. 60 seconds means 1 minute. So we write 1 minute 40 seconds. Obhirup, clear?
But sir, my secondary division point was 50 divisions and the vernier scale constant is 20. So 50 into 20 should be 1000.
Sorry. 1000. Right. Yes, 1000. Very good question. Right. 1000 seconds. Sorry. You are right. 100 को check दिया. Right. अच्छा, 1000 seconds is equal to?
Sir, 16 minutes and 40 seconds, I guess.
কত? 16 minutes 40 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. দেখো কেউ বললো না, only অভিরূপ marked it. Thank you, অভিরূপ. 238 degree 20 minutes. কত? 14 degree 14 minutes.
16 minutes 40 seconds.
16 minutes 40 seconds.
40 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Okay. তাহলে it will be 238 plus 16. How much?
238 degree 36 minutes 40 seconds. 238.
254 degree, 60, 20 minute. Sorry, 238 degree, 238 degree, 20 plus 16, 36.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
36 minutes,
40
40 seconds answer.
46 minute and 40 seconds. 238 degree, 46 minute.
Sir, 36.
Oh, 36 minute. 20 plus 16, 36.
Sir,
36 minute and 40 seconds. Okay. Thank you.
so it should be 66 seconds, not 46 seconds, sir.
36 to 20 minute plus 16 minutes.
Sir, 36 minutes, 66 seconds.
Okay, you 36 minutes, 66 seconds.
Yes, sir. Seconds it will go out 66.
This will be 66.
No, sir, 40.
Hey, Baba, if you defer it, you have to calculate it.
Sir, 1000 by 60 equals to 16.6666.
No. Okay.
Then
Remainder is 40 now, sir. So 40 will be seconds though.
40 का 66 remainder है.
60 into 10, that is 600. That is 10 minutes. Remaining.
স্যার
হ্যাঁ
স্যার সৌমি বলছি
হ্যাঁ বলো তুমি
মার্মিককে একটা কথা বলি 0.66 does not mean 66 seconds beta.
We cannot consider the fraction.
You have to calculate
Remainder is
it
40.
like, yes, remainder is 40 because 0.66 that part you have to convert into seconds, that you can't directly say 66 seconds.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. That I am using the calculator. That why I couldn't confuse.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Okay.
sorry.
Because 66 seconds will mean 1 minute already, no? 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So how can you say
60
Okay.
60 seconds 1 minute. In this way you just calculate the 1000 seconds is equal to how much minute and seconds. Okay, then it will be the result will be 238 degree 36 minute and 40 seconds, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. 1 minute. I'm dying.
Yes, sir. জায়গা তুমি চেক করো চেক করে দেখে নাও আমাকে জানা আমি চেক করে দিচ্ছি
Now students, this okay, that's definitely. Students, now this picture is visible to everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. This is the same picture. Okay, just you wait, students. Another picture I am giving you. কেটে গেছে Students, now this picture is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, find out its total rating. I am giving you 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, you write down the answer and write in the chat box. Okay?
Sir, reading is not clearly visible, sir.
Sir, can you zoom the picture a bit?
Now it is clear. 190 degree, 190 degree. Okay? This is 180 degree and 190 degree.
Sir, again the screen is not visible.
Black.
What is your problem, students?
So the
Screen.
screen is
It's
black.
completely black.
Completely black.
ফুল স্ক্রিন করুন তাহলে সব
Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Is it a 180 degree or 180 degree 2 minute 20 seconds, Aditya Banerjee? Is it a 180 to 2 minute 20 seconds?
Yes, sir.
I think this is exactly 180 degree. Shagnik, This is exactly 180 degree. Okay, there is no vernier reading. মানে দুটো লাইনে কিন্তু মিলে গেছে 180 ডিগ্রি। Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, students. So same thing. Assignment will provide you, and you must submit the assignment in time. Similarly. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
তাহলে এখানেই আজকে আমরা শেষ করছি। আবার নেক্সট ক্লাসে আমরা উই স্টার্ট দ্য অ্যাকচুয়াল এক্সপেরিমেন্ট ফ্রম দ্য নেক্সট ক্লাস। ঠিক আছে?
Sir, sir,
Hmm.
so they'll receive the assignment today.
Assignment? Oh. Show me.
Yes, sir.
The assignment, they will receive their assignment today though?
Yes, sir.
I told them.
Okay,
They will get the assignment today and you submit in time. Okay? Okay, students. All of you leave. সবাই লিভ করে যাও।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
All of you leave.
Thank you,
Leave the
teachers.
classroom.
Thank you, sir.